This is the 12th part of chapter 23, perimeter and area of plane figures, and in this part we are going to continue with exercise 23D and we'll start with question number 12. So find the area of the shaded region in the following figure. So this is the figure, that is a rectangle, and we can see that two semicircles are there which has been cut out from the rectangle. So first we'll start with area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. So length is given as 20 and breadth as 7. So 20 multiplied by 7 is 140 meters square. So radius of the semicircle, as we can see that the breadth is the diameter of the semicircle. So radius of the semicircle equals to 7 by 2 meter. So area of the semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So half into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, which is 19.25 meters square. So area of the two semicircles, as we can see that there were two semicircles. So 2 into 19.25, that is 38.50 meters square. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of two semicircles, that is 140 minus 38.50, which is 101.50 meters square. Next, question number 13. Find the area of the shaded region in each of the following. So here we can see it's a U-shaped. So this first part is a rectangle. This second part is also a rectangle, and the third part is can be considered as a semicircle. So two semicircles, if I consider two semicircles, then we can find out the area of this third part. So starting with area of figure 1, that is length into breadth. So length is 12 and the breadth is 3.5. So 12 multiplied by 3.5, that is 42 meters square. Area of the figure 2, similarly, length into breadth. So 12 into 3.5, that is 42 meters square. Now for the third part. So let us first find out the diameter of the bigger semicircle, that is 7 plus 3.5 this side plus 3.5 that side. So diameter of the largest semicircle is 7 plus 3.5 plus 3.5, which is 14 meter. So radius of the largest semicircle is 14 by 2, that is 7 meter. Thus area of the largest semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So pi is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 2, which is 77 meter square. Next, radius of the smaller semicircle is 7 by 2 meter. So area of the smaller circle is pi r square divided by 2. So half into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, which is 19.25 meters square. So area of figure 3 is area of the larger semicircle minus area of the smaller semicircle, that is 77 minus 19.25, which is 57.75 meters square. Therefore, area of the figure is equal to area of figure 1 plus figure 2 plus figure 3, which is equal to 42 plus 42 plus 57.75, which is 141.75 meters square. Next, part 4 of the same question. So here in the figure we can see that there is a larger semicircle and the diameter of the larger semicircle is 21 meter. Inside there are two semicircles which has been cut out, that is of diameter 7 meter. So here diameter of the larger semicircle is 21 meter. Radius of the larger semicircle is 21 by 2 meter. So area of the semicircle, that is the larger one, is equal to pi r square by 2. So half into pi 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So if I solve this, I'll get the value as 693 by 4 meters square. So let us keep it in fraction for the time being. Next, radius of the smaller semicircle. So since we know the diameter is 7, so the radius is 7 by 2 meter. So area of the smaller semicircle is half into pi, that is 22 by 7, into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So on solving this, we'll get the value as 77 by 4 meter square. Now let us find the area of two semicircles, because two semicircles were cut out from that bigger semicircle. So area of the two semicircle is 77 by 4 multiplied by 2. So we are keeping the denominator as 4. Okay, so we are not cancelling this, instead we are multiplying. So 77 multiplied by 2 is 154 divided by 4 meters square. Therefore, area of the shaded region equals to the area of the larger semicircle, that is 693 divided by 4, minus area of two semicircle, that is 154 by 4, which is 539 by 4 meter square. So on dividing, we'll get the answer as 134.75 meter square. Moving on to the next question, question number 14. Find the area of the shaded region in each of the following. So we can clearly see that we have a square, and on the four sides of the square we have semicircle, four semicircles. Okay, so and they have given us the whole length, okay, including the semicircle, including the square, and including another semicircle. The whole length is 42. That means we can say that the radius of the semicircle plus the side of the square plus the radius of this semicircle total is equal to 42 centimeter. So let us take the side of the square be a centimeter. Also, the diameter of the semicircle is a centimeter. So the radius of the semicircle will be, so see here, the side of the square is considered to be the diameter of the semicircle. Okay, so in that case the radius of the semicircle will be a by 2. So now we can write the formula as a plus a by 2 plus a by 2, okay, equals to 42. So taking the LCM as 2, so we'll multiply 2 to this one, so 2a plus a equals to 42. So numerator, adding the numerator, we have 4a. Take this 2 to the other side, it will be 42 multiplied by 2. So therefore a equals to 42 multiplied by 2 divided by 4, which is 21 centimeter. So now the area of the square is equals to a square. So 21 into 21 equals to 441 centimeter square. Radius of the semicircle is equals to 21 by 2 centimeter. So area of 4 semicircle is equals to pi r square divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So half into 22 by 7 into 22 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 multiplied by 4. So on solving this, we'll get the answer as 693 centimeter square. So area of the figure is equal to 441 plus 693, which is equals to 1134 centimeter square. So that's it for this part. Thank you for watching.